What's going on? This is Ed here from ClicksGeek, and today we're going to talk about auto glass marketing. So this particular client is an auto glass shop, and they have a physical location and they also do mobile. And they wanted to target your fronts and your backs and your windshields. And they did not want to do like chip repair, stuff like that. They wanted replacements. They wanted the good stuff. So what we did was we built a campaign for them. And here we're inside of it. So this is Google Ads for windshield repair, replacement, auto glass. So right now we're budgeting 150 bucks a day. I believe we're running, let's see here, I believe we're running 5 days a week. Yep, so 8:30 to 5, and let's see, 150 bucks a day. 179 clicks so far. Let me know, this is the first 10 days in this campaign. First 10, 11 days this campaign's actually been running. So this is a brand new campaign still, and it's going to get better the longer we do this. CTR, which stands for click-through rate, is the percentage of people that actually see the ad and click on it. Typically, like 2% is the industry norm. You want to be crushing that. Anything above 3%, 5% is good. We're into the very good range here at almost 9%. Average cost per click is $6.74. We've spent $1,200 total. We've gotten 57 conversions. A conversion is a lead, and a lead is either a phone call or a form submission looking for a quote. Average cost per conversion is 21 bucks, and conversion rate in the campaign is 31.84%. It's almost 32%. What is a conversion rate? Conversion rate is the percentage of people that actually click on the ads that become a lead. So basically what that rate is telling me is every third click in the campaign that we get, so every third person that clicks on an ad is becoming a lead for us. And a lead, again, is a phone call or a form submission. So right out of the gate, in the first 11 days, this client has gotten 57 leads, and it will continue to get better as we run this thing. It's doing well out of the gate, and it's exciting to see its performance right away. And this is actually a very competitive market in the U.S. It's in the West Coast, and I would say it's a very competitive market. So this is a niche we do very well in, and if you were an auto glass business and need help with your Google Ads campaign, or would like to discuss how it would look for you if you've never run one, give us a shout. My name's Ed. I'm one of the founders here at ClicksGeek. We're a premier Google Ads partner agency, and we specialize in lead gen for local businesses, and windshield and auto glass is a niche we shine in. So if you need anything, I'll drop a link in the description on how to apply for a conversation with us, and we'll go from there. Hope you have a great day, and talk to you later. Bye.